back with another art lesson. Okay, now, this is what we're going to do. For this art lesson, I'm going to make two movies for you, okay? So I'm going to make one movie about rulers. We'll talk about in a minute. Then, after you watch the movie about rulers, then I want you to go and watch the other one about the artist Pete Mondrian, okay? All right, so here we go. Now, if you don't have a ruler, my suggestion is for you to find one. Ask mom or dad to go to the store, get you a ruler, because rulers are very, very important tools for us artists, okay? Now, they come in different shapes and sizes and all that. Wow. Look, I'm going to show you some. That's a plastic ruler. That's a wood ruler, okay? It's a 12 inches, so rulers are also good to measure things, okay? This one is a T ruler. Look, woo, that's pretty big. See that? Right? Now, T rulers are good for corners. We're not going to use them, but I just want to show you. Okay. I have here a small T ruler, okay? And I also have short rulers, okay? So my suggestion for you is to use a 12 inches one, okay? It goes all the way from 0 to 12. And rulers are broken in pieces like, see? 1 inch each one. And sometimes you have those double ones that they have inches on the top and they have centimeters on the bottom. So centimeters is a metric system, don't worry about that, okay? Now, we're going to use inches, but we're not going to measure anything. We just need this to make straight lines. Yes, remember lines, that old friend of us? They're everywhere, and we need them, okay? All right, so I'm going to show you how to use a ruler. So rulers, as you can see, they make straight lines, see? Now, I'm not going to show you on the screen because on the screen it's really not the way we do it. Okay, because we artists, we're hands-on. We put our hands on things and we do it. So, what you're going to need is your old buddy. Oh, hey, where's my old buddy? Oh, here it is. Pencil. Yes. Use a pencil. Okay, start with a pencil. And we're going to talk about it. Now, I'm going to move you to the table here so you can see only my hands and the rulers and the paper. All right? Here we go. See the ruler? Pencil? Okay. Now, there are many different ways. There are many different ways to hold a ruler. Okay? One of the ways to hold a ruler is to hold it like that. So the best way is to always use at least two fingers to hold your ruler. Because you know what happens? If I have my ruler and I hold it in here and I try to make a line, okay, it's going to move. See that? All right? Now, if I hold it two places, okay, so there are different ways. There's one place we call BL or like that, okay? Now, it's good to hold it sturdy so it's in place. Now look, if I hold it one or two fingers here and I put my thumb in here and then I push my pencil against the ruler. You see that? That's a straight line, okay? Look. See it? Right? Now, when I do that, I'm always pushing my pencil against the ruler. Now, try to use the side where you have the numbers because this side here is not good, okay? So don't use this side. Use this one here. And then what you do when you want to change the paper, see? So if I change the paper, I keep the ruler the same way. So look. Okay, now you can also hold your ruler like this, see, using two fingers. But don't hold your ruler here. Remember what I told you. If you hold your ruler in one place only, it's going to move. See? That's not a straight line. All right? So, 2 hands and yeah. So, I want you to do as many straight lines as you can. So, keep moving your paper, okay? Get another paper, see? You see how I move the paper instead of the ruler? So I always keep my ruler on the same place. That's your work, second graders, okay? Practice with the ruler. After you practice with the ruler and you feel comfortable with the ruler, then you watch the next video with your lesson for our next art project. All right? Ready? Don't forget, pencil in one hand, ruler on the other. So if you're a lefty, you should hold your ruler with the right hand. If you're a righty, you should hold your ruler with the left. Okay? And remember, always holding the ruler in 2 points so the ruler doesn't move. Put a little pressure in there. All right? Okay, looking forward to the next project. And by the way, I couldn't believe those Eye of Allendale pictures. They were amazing, right? Now, why did we do that? Because we're artists. And we artists, we look at the world with different eyes. So that's what we do. And I love that you went out there and you took pictures and you look at and you discover a new world. That's what art is about, okay? We create the world. Yes, you create the world. Eyes of Allendale, I love those pictures. Awesome job. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.